Look at this video. This is the video which has gone viral on social media.
Take my fist, you bloody bitch. Take my
What the is wrong with them? Do not come to South Goa, and if you are coming here, do not
Only
take
their
pictures.
houses are colorful, their hearts are really black.
Black. Guys, I'm here on my family trip, like in Goa, and we are here in South Goa, and we were in the street Fontaines, right? And we were clicking pictures.
Colorful houses.
Yes, basically she's my sister, and we were clicking picture in a different street. Once the guard stopped us, and we just moved from there to the next street. And then when we were returning, there was one couple standing in the balcony itself, and they started shouting. You know, they were abusing my sister. Then I started making the video first so that they could not. You know, I'm attaching the video here, and when they saw me recording the video, they literally threw water on me. You know, the water they threw on plant, and the guy was saying that take my piss, this, that. And today is my birthday, and sadly this happened with me. I never ever thought that Goa will treat us like this, and people used to say that South Goa is so peaceful.
Go ahead.
And learn some
I don't
manners.
want this whole business here.
You're a guest in here. This is
I
your
don't want
guest.
you as a guest.
Leave
You're
us
not
alone,
invited.
please.
Look.
Find somebody else.
Shut up and
Who can have it with them?
Take my fist, you bloody bitch. Take my
What the is wrong with them?
Take my
No, wait. Wait.
I'm not anything you.
Wait. I don't know how their entire legacy has been running on tourism itself, and they were retaliating back to my sister that we don't want you as a guest. So I think government should definitely take an action against this, and they should ban tourists here,
Harassing tourists here.
and especially girls. Like, they were harassing girls in front of so many people, and they were not doing anything.
And we were not the only ones there. There were a lot of people.
And that was a couple, guys. Generally boys are, you know, said that they used to do this, but the women, I will just attach the video here. Or this wait. अरे बात क्या था कि हम उसके घर के सामने फोटो क्लिक भी नहीं कर रहे थे, हम किसी और गली में कर रहे थे, और हम वहाँ से पास कर रहे थे, और वो लोग चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिए. I was so shocked at the moment. They started abusing. I mean, I don't get it. I'm so shocked and I'm so sad. This is the way they treat women. I think Goa police should definitely take an action. We can legally file a case against them of harassing us. I mean, कोई घूमने आएगा और वो फोटो भी ना क्लिक करे, और चलो ना क्लिक करे, अगर वो लिखा है हम अगर वहाँ क्लिक करते तो भी मैं मानती कि ठीक है आपने मना किया, हमने किया. How come it is कि we are passing from there? Are we not even allowed to cross the streets? This is, you should give it a thought, guys.
The internet is divided over who is right, the residents or the tourists. This is a viral video from Fontaines, located in Panjim, Goa, which is the city historic Latin quarter famous for its narrow winding streets, colorful Portuguese-style houses and rich heritage charm. It is a favorite spot for tourists, photographers and art lovers, showcasing the city's colonial architecture and cultural legacy. On social media, a female tourist visiting Fontaines has reported an unsettling incident while taking photos with a family in the streets of Fontaines. According to her, a couple from nearby balcony verbally abused her and threw water at her when she began recording the incident. She expressed shock over the harassment, highlighting the women were targeted in public view and called on authorities to take action. She urged the Goa police to ensure the safety of visitors and consider legal action against those responsible. This incident raises concerns over tourist safety in Goa's popular areas, reminding everyone that respect and vigilance are essential in the state's heritage zones. However, another question is, why should the local resident be disturbed? The CCP and the government have to come out with concrete plans.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.